Is it time to buy or sell Damon common stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Damon common stock. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the first day of May in the year 2025, our system has categorized Damon common stock as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has not met our expectations, resulting in a decline of 77.33%. This equates to an average daily loss of 5.95% since it was designated as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 signifies that our system foresees considerable volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. In light of recent developments, we find ourselves unable to predict the stock's next movement, as it could proceed in either direction. The stock resides in the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. Should the price break above the upper trend line at 2009, it would initially indicate a slower rate of decline and could potentially signal the first signs of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of nearly 99% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from a total loss of 100% to a decline of just under 98%. Our latest daily update for Damon common stock includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Damon Incorporated Common Stock Price on Monday, moving between 160 thousandths and 430 thousandths. The Damon Incorporated common stock price fell by 77.33% on the last day, which was Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, dropping from 750 thousandths to 170 thousandths. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 168.75%, ranging from a day low at 160 thousandths to a day high of 430 thousandths. The price has seen significant ups and downs during this period, resulting in a loss of 77.33% over the last 2 weeks. The trading volume increased on the last day by 2 billion shares, even as prices fell. This may serve as an early warning, with risk slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 2 billion shares were exchanged for approximately $3,790,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $4.95, while the lowest price was 160 thousandths. Currently, the price is 99.97%, or $4.95, below the 52-week high of $4.95, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Damon Incorporated has recently shared a substantial operational update and third-quarter financial results, highlighting noteworthy progress in enhancing its financial stability and diversifying its business model. The company is concentrating on accelerating revenue generation, which could attract investors seeking growth opportunities in the electric motorcycle industry. In a significant step to regain its market presence, Damon has announced that it will resume trading on NASDAQ on the 19th of May for a single day, following its decision not to contest a delisting notice. This temporary resumption is essential, as it may help restore investor confidence and potentially stabilize the stock price in the short term. Furthermore, Damon has successfully completed an upsized public offering, raising a total of $16,500,000. This infusion of capital strengthens its balance sheet and supports various revenue strategies. Such capital is critical for funding product development, particularly its partnership with Engines Engineering to enhance the Hypersport Race electric motorcycle, indicating a strong commitment to innovation. With these developments, while there may be short-term volatility as the stock resumes trading, the strategic initiatives position Damon for long-term growth and competitive advantage in the market. The successful implementation of its revenue strategies and collaborations will be vital in determining its future valuation and stock performance. investors should keep a close eye on how these plans translate into market share and sales momentum in the upcoming quarters. Analysts have assigned Damon common stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy, while the price-to-book is rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts rate this stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Damon common stock. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the short-term development. The Damon Incorporated common stock has sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between these signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of 0.0067 and 0.0074. A breakthrough above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 77.33%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased as prices fell yesterday, which could serve as an early warning, thus warranting closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a sell signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average revealed a buy signal 16 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average has indicated a sell signal 2 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Damon common stock. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, the stock may perform poorly in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, and with a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 270 cents between its highest and lowest prices, which corresponds to a dramatic 168.75% change. In the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 33.75%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Damon common stock, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a low expectation for the company's future, or suggest that the stock is undervalued, which could present a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Damon, a common stock. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which indicates that the stock could move upward swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to enter a position and rely on volume to determine when to exit. On the other hand, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, meaning the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you are an experienced trader familiar with navigating such situations. The combined average rating for Damon common stock from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock is older than 3 months. The latest trade occurred on the 4th day of December in the year 2024, when Damon Inc conducted an insider purchase of 0 shares of common shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $0.0016, which is a decrease of 5%. This stock experiences very significant daily fluctuations, resulting in a high level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Damon common stock a good buy? Damon Incorporated's common stock displays several negative indicators, suggesting it should be considered a sell candidate. However, given the potential for a turnaround, it may be wise to view it as a hold or accumulate position while waiting for further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 20th of May, we anticipate that Damon common stock will open higher by 8/10 thousandths of a dollar, starting at 2.5 thousandths of a dollar. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.